contact. That's why the shin pads are in place. On the ground, it is all about the grappling. It's all positional play. You've not had any of those bicep slices, calf slices, any twisting, manipulation of the joints, and also guillotines at this level, or at this age bracket, I should say. Anything that attacks the spine in any way, not allowed. So here we go. We will now jump to what was set to be the first fight. We'll see Sergey Bayburtyan from Armenia in the blue corner, taking on Tajikistan's Abubakir Rustamov. Straight in with the takedown attempt. Oh, big throw there, and the key there, those throws are allowed, those trips, but you have to stay connected and controlling your opponent to the mat. Oh, looking for the rear naked choke here early. This could be done. He's on the side there. The angle is off, but the squeeze is there, and you can see now in the blue corner, Sergey Bayburtyan comes out of that. The heart and the composure of this young man feel unbelievable. And now he's looking for a takedown of his own. He's working on this single leg. Again, trying to take the back. It's Abubakir Rustamov. From these positions, it will be about the grappling. No strikes allowed once they are grounded at all, to the head, to the body. Now looking to take the back again. Oh. And once again, looking at that rear naked choke. Again, he's not got the angle. He's on the side there. There will be room to escape, but still hanging on. Is Sergey Bayburtyan. Now attacking from bottom, looking for that Kimura grip. Is Abubakir Rustamov. What a pace they've set, and again, this is only over one round. 3 minutes they have to claim their place in the next round. This tournament will go on till Saturday. We have over 500 youths here competing in Abu Dhabi here, trying to claim those gold medals. 50-50 positions, all about the scramble, but coming out on top is Tajikistan's Abubakir Rustamov. Full mount here, trying to work his way up towards the armbar. Needs to get that right leg over. Now he has. If he can hyperextend this. But really good work there from Sergey. Sergey understanding the danger, coming out on top now. Great hips there and understanding from Sergey. Again, you saw Abubakir there in on that takedown attempt from the bottom. Oh, reactions, my goodness. And again, this is all you see, so they're under 14s with 12 and 13-year-olds showing this amount of technical understanding. Some big breaths there from Sergey. And this is going to be a tight one for the referee to call. Oh. That's it, 3 minutes down. Raising his hand, Abubakir Rustamov. He believes he's done enough. Sergey Bayburtyan. Also a good showing. This is a very, very close call. The referee has used the second official to confirm. See, this goes to the way of Tajikistan, Abubakir Rustamov. And Tajikistan, what an emerging force they are, not just in the youth, but in the seniors as well, my goodness.